Okay, no problem. We can start our class, okay? Uh, Everyone able to see, right, my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So today is a JMeter, okay? We can going to start from the JMeter class, okay? So JMeter and load runner, neo load, we have the different kinds of multiple tools in the market to do the performance testing point of view. So based on for the your requirement, based on for your application, and based on for the project, they will be like switch from the JMeter or load runner or neo load, whatever maybe it is, they will go. So, but JMeter is a purely Java based application point of view. We can do for the any kind of performance testing means it's a Java based applications we can do for the performance testing. So in the JMeter, we can do for the different kind of things like web application we can do as same to the API testing. So web application nothing but so we have the different kind of web application, right? It's a banking application and insurance. Just a sample only. We have the different also there. Just to as of what we know, right? Just I'm giving for the example, healthcare. Everyone able to see, right? Healthcare.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, thank you. Healthcare, e-commerce applications. So these all will be like web applications. So means as a user going to in front end, like it will be sub banking application, like it is SBI, ICICI, HDFC, whatever may be bank. He will go to the that website, banking website. He will log in with his credentials, and after that, he's doing for the online transactions, like transfer to the money someone. Otherwise, they will request him from the like some customer request. Otherwise, like we can like checkbook request. As same to the we need to add for the payees. So after the payee, we can transfer the money. So these all things we can perform the online. So that kind of things like we can do for the online banking, all web-based applications. We using for the JMeter also. We can do the performance testing. So going to the next API testing. So API testing nothing but it's a web service testing. So in the web service testing, we have the like multiple like different cross platform applications will be there. If you want to test those applications, so we can go with the API testing as a web services. Using for the web services, like we have the some API calls will be there, like it's a JSN or SOAP request. So these kind of things will be there, like JSON format, otherwise SOAP format, SOAP request. So nothing but it's a XML format. Okay. So this kind of because why they are developing from the API nothing but so they will when you are as a developer developing from the application, he will develop for the cross-platform application. So different kind of things. So that kind of things we can do for the front end as a front end application, like web application means it's not possible. So that is why they were like using for the JSON or SOAP request as a XML format. They will develop that script and we can do for the performance testing. Okay, so going to the today in class, I will explain for the JMeter like how to we can download the JMeter. Okay, first point, how to download JMeter and prerequisites. If you install the software, prerequisites of JMeter, prerequisites. And third point, so installation part, installation and so JMeter test plan like element discussion, elements. So you want to JMeter, we can like Apache JMeter official website will be there. If you go to the web in Chrome, so we can go to the Google Auto maybe and just type from the Google. Okay, already is there, right? Okay, what we can do is you can type just Apache JMeter. See Apache JMeter. You can just click this. You will get for the official website for the Apache JMeter. So here you can observe everyone download Apache JMeter. Just click on that. Okay. So this is the official website for the Apache. So that is the JMeter. So here we have the different type of versions will be there. You can observe current version will be 5.62. And we have the other ones means you can see the like previous versions also we have means we can go to the in our like which version you want, you can select that version also is possible. Otherwise, what is the latest you want for that means you can, these all will be apply different type of things. So for here we have the different formats will be there, binaries will be there and source will be there. So which one I can select, you can don't confuse. So we can go with the always source only. In the source also we have the two things will be there. We can observe Apache JMeter zip file will be there, TQJ. So we can download from the this one Apache JMeter 5.62. So just you can click on that. It is like already in my system some version will be there. I am not downloading again. Okay, just we'll go to the folder. So now you can observe here. So already I downloaded. I think it's a download. Yeah. See now you can observe Apache JMeter. This is the 5.5 version. And when you are download this software, right, you are able to see the first will be GIF format. Okay, I will show that. So you will be able to see the once you can download it, you are able to see this. Just you can click on right button, just extract file here, you can download it. Then you are able to see the Apache JMeter like this. This is the Apache JMeter. So for here, if you download it, then next part will be installation part. So before you can go to the installation part, you need to check from the your system some prerequisite. Is a my system is a Java is available or not. If your system Java is not available, you are unable to open the Apache JMeter. So that is why first thing you need to check from the your system Java is there not there. So how to we can check this? So you can go to the command prompt. Okay, open the command prompt. And here just you can type for the Java. So you will get like this library files, this like this you will get. So your system Java is there. Otherwise you are getting from the Java is unrecognized file. Okay, so these kind of things happen means your system Java is not there. So again you can go to the here and you can just go to the here and you can type it as a Java download. Java online, sorry, compare, not download. So 64-bit. Okay. Then you can see the, if you click this, we can see the different kind of Java versions we have. So this is also some Java point of view only. This is the special website. Okay. For here we have the, can observe here, we have the versions also will be there. This is the Windows version, Windows offline. If it is a Windows 64-bit, so you need to select for the which version you want, you can select. Otherwise, if you want for the Mac version, you can select a Linux. So depends on the your OS, you can select for the which version you want, you can select. So Windows means always we can go with the Windows with 64-bit. So once you can download it and just click on next, you are able to download it. And after that, just type for the Java, then your system, you are able to see the Java this like this. So this is the very prerequisites, one of the prerequisites from the. So if you want to install software in, or if you want to open for the JMeter in your system must, it will be there Java software. It's clear, everyone? So now we'll go to the, after you are extracted, right? You can like keep from the anywhere. If you want to keep from the like in downloads, or you have the any folder, you can just copy and paste from there. So because JMeter you can keep from anywhere also, no problem, because you don't have any installation part. Once you can extract it, just Java is available. You can just open the Apache JMeter and go to the bin folder. We have the different type of folders will be there. There you need to go to the bin folder. So here we can see the different things, but here you can observe Apache JMeter. This is the Apache JMeter. If you want to open for the JMeter, you need to open this one. Sometimes you are unable to see unable to open this Apache JMeter, means your system Java is not available. That is why you are unable to open this. So that is why Java is a very important from the JMeter point of view. If you don't have in your system Java, so you are unable to do the performance testing. You are unable to open the Apache JMeter. So now, so my system Java is there and already I downloaded. Now just open this Apache JMeter. Just double click it. You are able to see this is the Apache JMeter. It is opening. So this is the Apache JMeter. Just now I open. Now you can see this. It is a GUI look like this. This is the Apache JMeter and which version this, and everything will be there. So now once we can open, now you need to start for the your scripting. So you have the like this is the test plan. In the test plan, nothing but it's a parent. In the parent contains for the different type of elements. So for here we can call it as a thread group, pre-processor, post-processor, and like a protocol is there, right? Web-based HTML, web service protocol, Java protocol, SAP protocol. So these protocol here we can call it as a samplers. So if you right button click for here in the test plan, we are able to see these all things. Thread group. Thread group nothing but it is a number of user point of view. So just if we click on this, then how many numbers I want to execute, how many threads. Here we can call it as a how many threads we want to execute, like a number of concurrent users. I want to test that test with the 100 users. So that controller we are designed, right? How we are designed as the number of users. Same way in like here also, that is the thread group, nothing but how many threads I want to test, like number of concurrent users. So that is the thread group. And here we can see the different things in the test group, and we have the pre-processor, post-processor, assertions, and timers, and listeners. So we have different things will be there, and we have the samplers also will be there. So you can observe now you are unable to see the sampler here. So where you can see the sampler means once you can add the thread group, see it's a thread group added, just right button click this, you are able to see the sampler. So sampler nothing but these all will be available protocol from the JMeter. So you have the HTTP request, nothing but it's a web-based protocol. We have the debug sampler and some JSR 823 sampler. Sampler nothing but SEP protocol. Protocol nothing but it is a communication between the tool to and assign to the server of the your application. So then only you are able to record successfully your application. So that is why. So you need from the protocol, which protocol you want, you need to select that protocol you can use. So we have the JMS protocol, JDBC. JDBC nothing but like DB protocol. So FTP protocol, we have the so bean cell protocol. So we have different protocols will be there. So maximum we can use from the like HTTP request, or maybe we can go with the JDBC. So some protocols only we can use. So depends on the our requirement, we can use also. That will be maximum. As a JMeter point of view, they never go with the maximum protocols, because so just it's a web application we need to test. So means you need from the HTTP request. Maybe you want to test for the some DB queries, then you need for the JDBC request. And if you want further do the API testing also, we need from the same HTTP request. So it's clear, everyone? Yes or no? So now,
Yes, sir.
yeah, thank you. So now you can observe this is the JMeter. So we have the template will be there. So I don't want to add from the like this thread group and listener. This all I don't want to add. So that is why what I can do means just here template will be there. Just you can click on template. That is the predefined template. And here we have the drop down will be there. Now what we are doing, we are recording the script. Like web applications means we can record the script. So that is why you need to select from the recording. And after that, just click on create button. And here you can give from the as a your application URL. Okay, no worry. Otherwise, no problem. Okay, and it is saving from the this file, and just click on create button. See, this test item I have not saved. Do you want is to save this creating as a plan? Select a template. Yes. So just it is asking as a save. So you can observe one more thing. When you are saving this script, it is asking as a .jmx file. So anyone ask for the JMeter like as a script, what is the extension of this file means .jmx. So here you can give from the like script name. Okay, just I'm giving as a sample script. Okay, and .jmx, just where we are saving, you can, okay, just in bin folder only it is showing. Just I want to save in the desktop, so I selected, just click on yes. Okay, so now you can observe after that everything is came. You can observe in the test plan we have the some user defined variables and HTTP request defaults and HTTP cookie manager, and in the thread group also there. In the thread group we have the recording controller and view results tree. Nothing but we want to doing for the any kind of execution, you want to see the results means we need to use for the view results tree. And now we can observe one more thing, HTTP test script recorder. So here we can record the script means we need from the HTTP test script recorder. So just to click for the template, automatically everything is came. Otherwise, you want to add manual also, you can possible here. You can go here and first add thread group, and after thread group, you want to add from the like listeners, nothing but view registry, you can use this. And you want from the HTTP test script recorder, you can observe HTTP test script recorder. Means here we can add also possible for manually also. Okay, for now we can see as a template we are created. Now we want to record the script. So this is the disable. You can enable this. Just go to the here and just enable it. So now you need to record the script. So for example, you have the one application, just a sample application I will show here. Some, okay, some PestStore application we have. So this is the application I want to record. So before that, just I'm showing for the business flow. Just I'm launch done, and after that login. Okay, we are giving from the passing the username and password. Okay, and click on login. Okay, and now you need to like this PestStore application, we can like order this one of the pet. You can just select any one of the pet. Just you can click on add, and you can add add to cart, and how many want you want to click. Otherwise you want to remove, okay, proceed to checkout. So these all details as the payment details and billing address details, you need to fill this and click on continue. See, please confirm me of the below. Like what are the details you are entered? You need to confirm this. Okay, this is confirmed. You can done. See, you can observe. Thank you for your order. So this is the business flow, and final will be sign out. So this business flow we can record from the using for the our this test script recorder as a we can use for the as a web application. That script we can record using for the JMeter. So now, okay, before going to record, we have the some prerequisites for the JMeter. Some prerequisites. You want to record the script means some prerequisites. So what are the prerequisites means? First one already we know the Java we need. Okay. And the second one, okay, you need from the like so you can go to here. You can observe in your Apache JMeter folder, in the bin folder, we are able to see the some root CS certificate. So this, sorry, hello?
Yeah, certification only.
Yes, root CS certification. So if you want to record the script means you must to be import from the browser as a root CS certificate. Okay, this root CS certificate only, it is a 7 days only, it will be there here. So, but every 7 days you want to import from the this root CS certificate from the browser. Then only you are able to record the script. Okay, that is why what you need to do. So just we need to update from the every time means just what you need to do means just go to here, just click on start recording. Then it will updated with the today date. It will be updated this. So you can observe everyone. Date is modified. Which date is showing? 6/5/2023. Okay. Now just you can click on start recording. This is the record button. Just click on start recording. So you can observe root CS certificate is been created in your JMeter bin directory. So now, okay, this recording you can forget now. So now you can go to the again bin folder. Now you can observe here, it is updated or not. So last time 6/5/2023 is there. Now 8/7/2023 means current date is came. So this root CS certificate is valid for the only 1 week. So that is why you want to every time 1 week means just you can click on start recording. You are able to update it from the your root CS certificate. It's clear? So now we'll go to the browser. Okay. And now you can observe we need to root CS certificate. We need to import. Okay. So if you open from the any browser, okay, which browser, okay, no problem. Any browser you can open and we can import from the one browser also. It is applicable for the every browser. Okay, otherwise we can see here only. You can go to the here in the settings. Just type as a certificates. Let's see here. See, you can observe manage certificate. So if you open that, so just open the manage certificates. Now you can observe here. So here we have the some different tabs will be there, personal and other. So we need to click from the trusted root certificate authorization. So you need to import from the root say certificate from here. You can observe already we have here. We can observe here. This is the 612 and 316. So means this already expired ones. So just you can remove this expire ones. Okay, already we have this is also you can remove this because already it is expired. Now we can import. Just in the go to the trusted root say certificate, click on the import and click on next, and here click on browse. So your root say certificate, it will be there downloads in the Apache JMeter in the bin folder, and you can observe this is the root say certificate is updated one. Just click on this and click on next and click on next. Next, it is asking from the S. See, import was successfully done. See, now you can observe here. So your expire date will be 8th month 14th date. Means it's a 1 week is the it will not expire. After 1 week, your certificate will be expired. So means every 1 week you are doing for the every time you are doing for the recording different one, then you need to do for this kind of things. So only you are doing for the some execution, these things means no need. But okay, so we can import it successfully. Just you can close this. Now is done. Once this is the one of the prerequisites. So next one more prerequisites. So directly you are doing from here. Just click for the start recording button. You are not entering anywhere URL. So how it will communicate from the browser to your tool. So we need to do for the some proxy settings also. So what is the port you are giving here? Same port you need to configure from the browser also. Like you can go to the browser, any one of the browser, okay? And again, go to the settings. Just type as a proxy. Type as a proxy. See, you can observe, open your computer proxy settings. See, now you can observe, this is the proxy setting. Here we have the manual proxy will be there. We need to set up the manual proxy. If we are doing for the proxy, you can uncheck this automatic proxy and check the manual proxy. And you need to give from the like this HTTP and colon and localhost. And here, this is the port is important. For here, what is the port number you are giving? Same thing you need to give from here also. You are giving your 8080 here port, same port you need to give. So this is the communication. Okay, so that is why then only you are able to record the script. So once you can done this, right, you can save this. Okay, you can save this and close this. Okay, then again you can check one more thing. It is like changes happen or not. We can check. Okay, okay, done. Yeah, everything is saved. Then close this. Then now you can open from the JP Play Store. You can open now. See, you are unable to open. Why? Because we are already proxy. So only through tool only you need to access this application, because you are already given as a like we are given from the port number and localhost only it will work. So that is why if you open any URL, it will not open. If you open, say for example, Google, we can open, or any YouTube, okay, whatever maybe. See, connect to the network. So means we are already done the proxy. So now you are done, right? So this is the way we need to do for the proxy settings. Now if you go here, so one is for Java and second one is the root CA certificate. And 1 minute. Yeah. So next one is the what? Third one. Third one is the like proxy settings. So once complete these all things, then we are able to record the script now. So now go to the application. Just you can just click for the start record button. So before clicking this, you can observe here target controller. You want to recording from the use recording controller, means the thread group. So what are the steps you are recording? So like already we know, right? Launch and login, click on for the some pet and order. What are we are doing, right? Everything is recorded in the recording controller, because you are here giving from the okay in the test plan in thread group recording controller. Okay, now proxy settings completed. Just click on start record button. So click on OK. Now go to the browser. Go to the browser. Now you are doing for the what you are doing. You are launching the application. You can give it as a launch URL. Okay, and after that, just you can navigate launch URL. Okay, see now you can observe. So manual it is not open. Through tool it is open. Now next step what? Login. Okay, just click on this login and enter for the login details. Click on login and just now as of now recording only log out. Just log out. So now my business flow is completed. Just stop it. So now go to the here. You can observe in the recording controller. This is the launch one, login, log. So we need to record the script like this. Is the just basic today. Okay, tomorrow we'll go with the everything. Okay, with it deeply and we'll discuss tomorrow class. Okay, anyone have any doubt today class? Mahesh, Charita.
Yeah, so far, no, we're good with it.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
So thank you for joining, and we'll meet for tomorrow also same time, and we'll continue our classes. Okay, bye everyone.
Sure. 1 second. You will be able to share the recordings, right?
Yes, I will share.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.